case study of Nasdaq trade that I took today. Just quick breakdown of how I found this trade. So for example, starting from the bottom, we can identify there's a mitigated demand zone here. So it means this demand zone was respected. Therefore, since this demand is respected, I'm expecting a continuation to a certain point of level before price is pushed to the downside or go to upside. So we can see there's a change of character as this is the last previous high. And one other confluence that's very important is that during the Asian session, we see a distribution of orders going to the upsides, which means since the distribution is happening, we're expecting a expansion or continuation of this distribution. And this was the last sell to buy candle that causes this high, causes the start of this distribution phase that we're seeing here. So therefore, I'm expecting price to retrace to this area of demand, respect this demand, and then we find entries to a secured area of level that we can take profit. And I can see this supply candle here will be a perfect area that we can take our initial take profit, or even go for full take profit for nice risk to reward. Without further ado, let's see how price played out. So we have a reaction. So we have two rejection candles, two joint candles, which confirms that this demand zone is very, very solid. So therefore we can then go ahead and put our buys stops just above this area and then aim for a nice and follow for more. Peace.